good angle. There. Yeah.
So live.
Feeling ano.
Let's go. Mag-live din ako sa aking Facebook.
Is this okay to move?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Na-awkward ka ba?
No.
Sama ba yung gusto niyo?
Or,
So, change tayo.
yeah, change na lang tayo. Ay, so funny. Ayan.
Pwede, no?
Mas maganda yan. Have you heard of Bear Manila?
Bear? Manila? What's
Bear.
that?
It's a studio, like it's like Ride Revolution, diba? You were there the last time with Master Hands.
Mm-mm.
It's something like that, but it's a circuit training.
I've heard of it through ClassPass. Nakikita
Yes.
ko siya sa ClassPass.
Yes.
So, hindi pa ako nakatry. How is
Okay.
it?
Super fun.
What do you do?
Lifting, treadmill, sometimes it's parang fusion
Pero
of
sabay-sabay kayo lahat?
exercise.
Masaya nga yung circuit.
So, na-pump ako or na-entice ako to go there because I saw your post, Ride Rev. Sabi ko,
Oo.
try na nga ako ng class.
Oo.
Yun. But
Yes naman.
it's yun nga, it's a different class.
Yeah.
But still,
Maganda lang dun is, you're pressured to keep going.
yes.
Kasi normally, pag di ba workout ka, papahinga ka.
Yes.
Mamaya, papahinga ka, tatamarin ka na. Okay, I'm
Yes.
done. Pero pag, there's still minutes in the class, you have to keep going.
Yes.
Everyone's doing
Yep,
it, di ba?
yes,
Kahit
yes.
na pagod ka na,
Exactly.
go ka pa rin. So,
Mahilig siya sa klase, mga workout class. Ikaw ba?
I do naman. I like all workouts, except for
workouts.
sports.
Okay.
Pagdating sa sport,
Champ. Top fan.
Yes.
binigyan ka na ng ano.
Para may badge na.
May badge na.
Okay, let's start.
Internet is faster here.
Yeah, it's faster. Way faster.
Okay, maybe because of the
Jam 88.3, that is 9 Inch Nails with Dead Souls, and it is time for Tooth or Dare with Dr. Jonas Apostol and Elaine Apostol of Apostol Cosmetic Dental Center. Good evening, guys.
Good evening,
Good
DJ
evening,
Ro.
good
It's
evening,
nice to
good
be here.
You look so cute together. You look like you just came from like some tennis tournament or something.
Just a style
Just
for
some matching outfits. Very earthy tones.
no?
Very
Yeah,
earthy
no.
tones as well.
Yeah, I didn't
Diba?
notice. Yes. Very
Mas
I
well.
would,
sporty sa'yo, but mine is like more a bit, formal.
Ay, hindi daw sporty. Sorry. Formal daw, formal.
Formal.
So, welcome to your weekly dose of dental health and cosmetic dentistry go-to. So, this is the chance to ask away your questions if you have any concerns when it comes to your dental health, to your mouth.
Yep,
Anything that has to
any.
do with your mouth and your teeth, basically. So, today's topic, we're going to be talking about the deeper purpose of dentistry. What lies beyond dental procedures. So, can you
Yes.
explain what exactly does that mean?
So, we've been doing this for a few weeks now. Then we've been talking about dental procedures. We've been answering their questions. And then one time we were walking sa village. Then what topic would be different or could be interesting or
Mhm.
unique? We said that maybe we can share the purpose of dentistry. Of course, the purpose of dentistry is really to help the patient's mouth when they have problems,
Mhm.
pain. But we just want to share how we also are able to help the community
Right.
with what we do. Of course, still dental procedures, but the purpose, the
Mhm.
deeper purpose of our partnership in dentistry, which is to help other people.
Yeah,
Yun.
it's not basically
You
on.
forgot na.
It's not basically on the teeth aspect
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the smile and make them beautiful and feel confident about themselves, but it's beyond that. So we are like the missions thing.
Yes.
We do a lot of missions. We help a lot of less fortunate or yeah,
Yes.
something
So,
like that.
TJ Ro, diba,
Mhm.
you've
Libre
been this.
bunot. I remember
Libreng
the
bunot,
libre
yeah.
bunot.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So you've been discussing about veneers,
Mhm.
teeth whitening. You had
Mhm.
a segment
Mhm.
about that with even with Dr.
Mhm.
Judith, the aesthetic side of it. But the deeper purpose is the confidence that we are able to give them. For example, also the libreng bunot,
Mm,
wala na yung pain. So now they are happier,
yeah.
Mhm.
parang stress-free.
Yeah.
Because imagine, those patients, they feel pain every time.
Yep.
Then we removed it, what's causing pain. Now they are able to work lighter or they feel much better.
Yeah.
So, yun. And then when doing veneers, smile makeover, yan. Ano yung, what do patients tell you when you complete a smile makeover?
Of course, number one, the reason why they are investing a lot of money for a smile makeover is because they are suffering from a bit of insecurity, a bit talaga, a bit of insecurity about their smile.
Mhm.
So me as a cosmetic dentist, I am always helping them, making sure that their smile should complement their face. So it's not like about having beautiful smile. It's about that aura from within.
Mhm.
Kasi sometimes if their insecurities yung ngipin, ano yan eh, that's actually a big deal for them. But for
Yeah.
some, it's like, ngipin lang yan eh. It's like nothing. But if they're suffering from bullying because of that, and
Mhm.
then I was able to um, create some solution,
Mhm.
yun. So, iba talaga. Pag bumabalik sila sa akin, it's a different version of themselves. Like, completely, totally different.
Yeah.
Notch higher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
true. I remember before when I was in high school, I had a classmate. I think she had like dentures or something,
Mhm,
and
mhm.
then I think it broke or something. And then one
Oh
day
my
she
God.
came into school and she couldn't talk without a handkerchief
Yes.
Oh my,
over her
that's
mouth, And I looked at her thinking that must be so hard to not be able to
Yep.
comfortably speak because you don't look good when you talk because
Mhm.
you're missing some teeth.
Mhm.
And she was so young too because
Mhm.
I don't know, like 15 or something.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
that was when, I'm like so important. I said to myself at that time, I guess I'm lucky at this point in my time that I don't have any major teeth problems that I
Mm.
had to be like her, but I could see the embarrassment and the shame that she was feeling because she couldn't comfortably speak,
Yes.
Yep.
Look, but she was actually really pretty. Like,
Yes.
ang ganda niya,
Yes.
pero nahihiya siya because she knows as soon as she removes that handkerchief, kahit anong ganda mo, kahit anong pogi mo,
Yes.
if your teeth, there's
Yes.
something with your teeth.
Yes.
It's just different.
Yes, yes.
That's actually, yeah.
That's one of the common stories that
Yeah.
we have in our clinic. Patients who come in, they don't have teeth in front.
Mm-mm.
So they're wearing dentures.
Yeah.
They've been wearing dentures for a long time. So with your classmate before, it broke.
Yeah.
Some of our patients, it also broke or it's very loose. Because really in dentures, there will come a time it will become loose. So they're tired of wearing dentures all the time
Yeah.
and they have to cover their mouth
Yeah.
all the time. So when they come to our clinic, we provide them with implants
Yep. Yep.
or bridge to restore the smile. And they would, so we're done with the procedure. They come back for a follow-up. Parang ibang tao sila. You feel that their aura, they're glowing, they're more confident, like
Yeah.
what you said. They just look so different. They did not do anything with their face. Kunyari, major, what do you call, for example, rhinoplasty or
Yeah.
something. But the smile really speaks a lot and helps enhance
Yeah. Yeah.
their inside
Mm-hmm.
out.
Yeah, I remember this one patient of mine. Like, I did this patient few years back before pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
Sobra, ito, ang kwento niya, she had a denture, tapos nag-inuman sila.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos.
Ah.
And then, I already,
Oh my
yung
goodness.
sinabi mo, dentures nag-inuman. I already know there's a disaster coming up.
Yes.
Basta na to like, sobra pa-sexy,
Oh.
sobra maganda,
Oo.
beautiful, matangkad, lahat. Oh my. Yun,
Tapos?
nag-inuman sila, tapos nawala yung denture.
No, tumawa na wala.
Hindi niya na alam kung nasaan yung
Oh my
denture.
God.
And then
So,
she
sobrang
said-
kalasingan.
Possible daw na na-flush niya.
Yeah.
From like,
Yes, throwing up.
yeah.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
And,
But she really couldn't remember.
So how did she say goodnight to everyone then?
she was drunk that night. Like, paggising niya sa umaga, sabi niya, where's my...
Or my teeth?
Yes, yes. So,
Wala na, yung denture, wala na.
It
So,
probably went down the toilet.
yeah,
I'm pretty
maybe.
sure that's probably what happened.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, because I've heard of my mom's friend also that happened to her.
diba? That,
Oh my goodness.
Tuloy umuwi sila lahat
Yes.
because hindi na they have a companion who's no longer comfortable,
Yes.
who's no longer feeling that they can enjoy themselves. So syempre nasira na yung vibe. So they all
Mhm.
just went home.
yep,
And
yep.
she's not gonna put that back in her mouth without, I don't know, soaking it in something. Diba? It's from a public toilet. So all of those things, diba, you avoid from happening
Yes.
to you when you get
Yep.
veneers, right?
Well, let's say, for example, for like that of a problem, like a denture, missing teeth, the best solution would be dental implant. But for some cases, implant is not like recommended for them because it has no bone.
Mm-hmm.
You have to grow some bone
Mhm.
first, and it's not like it's not mura. It's very expensive. And number two, gusto nila madali. We want the solution right away. I
Mhm.
mean, so we have bridge.
Yeah.
Mas ano yun, fixed yun. You cannot remove that. So kahit anong gawin mo, kahit mag roller coaster ka pa, it will not be detached. So ayun yung second best solution for missing teeth. Kaya ang daming nagpapaganon. Like, don't be deceived, ang daming super like ganda and everything, but they don't have front teeth. Ang dami kong cases na gano'n. You know,
This is
front
from like childhood. Mga,
Yes.
From
yes.
from rotting teeth from childhood.
Maybe some, yeah, may ganon, may decay, trauma, dental trauma, something like that. Tapos nawala na. Kasi yung, the solution before, if there's something
Yeah.
bad, may decay, pak, let's remove it. That's the best one.
Before, no?
Before,
Ganun
before.
Yes,
talaga.
before,
Just remove
before.
it na lang.
Yes. But now it's different. It's a different story. It's completely different dentistry. And the reason why we are always trying to innovate ourselves because we want to provide what's best for the patient.
Yeah.
And we are always making sure that our purpose, which is to help them,
Yeah.
Mhm.
makukuha natin yon, mabibigay natin
Right.
yon. So in such a way that we are looking at the future as well,
Thinking
the
long term.
Mhm.
long term,
Yes,
the
yes.
prognosis. Hindi lang siya yung
Not a
parang
temporary fix na
Yes.
band-aid lang.
Yes, hindi siya yung pang 2 years lang.
I have a
Yeah.
question. So pag kunyari, let's say for example, a tooth got chipped. How do you even the color that you're going to attach to the
Mhm.
chipped tooth so that it looks normal? Because I have a friend, just to tell you a story, it's actually a funny story. So he said he went clubbing,
Mhm.
and on his way out of the bathroom,
Alam ko na
basta teeth and inuman clubbing.
Yeah.
Ano problema? He went clubbing, and then on his way out from the bathroom, so the men's bathroom, diba? May palabas din na girl from the girls' bathroom. So, nagbanggaan sila, his tooth, because she was a tall girl, tumama sa forehead ng girl.
Okay.
And the girl was like, she was like angry kasi nga tumama yung teeth niya dito.
Mhm.
But then with my friend, the guy, his tooth, it chipped and he was holding his tooth and he was bleeding. He was like, oh, and the girl was the one mad at him. Sabi niya, my tooth! Sabi niya, what kind of forehead do you have? Bakal? Bakal ba yan? Sabay nagalit. Yung tooth niya natanggal.
Oy.
So he said he had to go home kasi diba?
Yeah.
Iba na daw itsura niya. Sabi niya,
Yes.
I cannot look at myself like
Yes,
that. And that's
yes,
just a
yes.
chipped tooth,
Yes.
like a diagonal chipped tooth.
Okay.
Ibang-iba daw talaga yung itsura niya. Like he
Yep.
said,
Yep.
I had to go and make an appointment straight away to the
Yes.
dentist, get it
Mm.
fixed right away.
Mhm.
But then when they had it fixed, hindi siya, this was in the US, iba
Mm.
yung kulay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Iba yung kulay.
So in photos, you can see na parang
There's
she has
something.
one tooth na iba yung color.
So, definitely, it's an easy fix nowadays. It really depends on the artistic ability of the
Yeah.
dentist. Kasi we can actually mimic the color of the teeth. It really depends on the, number one, the material being
Mhm.
used, and then yung paano namin i-blend yun. Pero we do that every day.
So it can be
So,
restored
it can be
through
restored.
a simple dental filling or a veneer
Yeah.
using composite
I-
or
Yes,
indirect
pwede,
material.
pwede indirect material like a porcelain, pwede yung direct like a composites, pwede yun. So, we just mix and match layers for us to copy
Okay.
the natural tooth.
So you have different colors that
Yes,
you
there are
kind of
different
find the
shades,
right
yes.
shade talaga.
Mhm.
Siguro yung
Mhm.
gumawa sa kanya, hindi nakuha yung right shade.
Hindi, baka,
No?
ito pwede na.
Diba? Kasi
Accurate.
pag sa photos talaga, you can tell na there parang siya tuloy merong sparkle.
You know, it's actually hard. They would always, the dentists,
Yeah.
Jonas also would tell me, one of the hardest dental procedures,
Hindi,
especially an
joke lang.
aesthetic.
Yes.
For
Yeah,
you,
yeah, yeah.
agad.
It is very, very hard.
Especially aesthetic, when you consider the aesthetic side
Yeah.
of it, is fixing one tooth.
Kasi kitang-kita, no?
Yes.
It's just one.
And there are other cases, so that's one.
Yeah.
Yung adjacent teeth niya, dalawa. This adjacent tooth could be more yellow compared to the other adjacent
Right.
tooth. So, what will you copy? Or may
Mhm.
magsa-stand out talaga.
Mhm.
Something like that. So,
Okay.
they
Yeah.
would always say, it's one of the
Hardest.
most complicated.
Complicated.
So mas maigi na yung apat.
Yeah, oo. Sampu mo
Diba?
agad.
Para mas ano sila kaagad.
Para-
Mas wider yung ano.
Yeah.
Equal
Okay.
yung shade.
I
yeah.
see. That's interesting.
Actually, let's say for example, you fix one tooth. No, okay. Okay siya ngayon, the first 6 months.
Mhm.
It really depends on the material. Once the material will fade in the next few months, because usually pag mga composites, it's plastic eh.
Mm-mm.
So plastic, nagkakaroon siya ng internal staining. So the texture will be different after some time.
Mm-mm.
So mag-iiba talaga yung itsura niya.
Yeah.
So, yun lang yung isa sa mga reasons. But, isa sa mga solutions namin, tama ka, instead of one, we go for 4.
Para mas seamless yung
Yes,
ano,
seamless.
yung look. But I
Yeah.
definitely remember si Tom Cruise. I mean, Tom Cruise is
Oh, yeah.
supposed to be like, he's got the most symmetrical
Uh-huh.
face, right?
Uh-huh.
Pero yung earlier photos niya,
Yes.
when he was still starting out as an actor, his teeth were nice, di ba?
Yes.
And it
yes,
made
yes.
such a huge difference fixing his teeth. Buglang sobrang pogi siya kaagad.
Yes.
Yep.
So, imagine, di ba, if he never fixed his teeth, he probably wouldn't be the Tom Cruise we know as Tom Cruise now.
Yep.
Di ba?
You said this case is really popular in dental school.
In dental school.
Talaga,
yeah.
pinapakita
Oh,
kay Tom
pinapakita
Cruise.
nila.
Up until now. Up until
Up
now.
until
Until now?
Yeah, up until now. The last a few weeks ago, we went to the States.
Tom Cruise.
na naman tayo.
Cruise na
For
naman.
college pa lang.
Siya yung lahat, kilala siya eh, di
Oo,
ba?
college pa lang ako.
Hanggang
Tom
ngayon,
Cruise
kilala
na
pa rin
naman.
siya eh. For a long time yan, until mapalitan ng somebody else na bago ngayon na
Ronaldo.
celebrity. Sino siya?
Ronaldo,
Cristiano
Cristiano
the
Ronaldo.
football superstar.
Oh, pero hindi pa rin kasi
Pero
Hindi
Tom
pa rin.
Cruise pa din
popularity
eh.
ni Tom Cruise iba eh.
Iba,
Iba, iba.
yeah.
Pero
Yeah. Oo nga.
we're gonna go and play a bit of a music, but when we come back, we're gonna talk about the initiatives that Apostol has been busy with to make sure that this is not something just available for those who can afford it, but they also try to give back to the community. Right now, here is Periodico with Agawan Base on GM 88.3.
Funny the stories that you share. It's super common eh.
Yung sa mom ko, kasi ano pa, hindi ko na share dito kasi, I mean, dito sa Facebook Live, okay lang. Ano, di ba back then, wala pa, pwede pang mga bata pumasok sa mga bar. I was like, siguro 9 years old. Sama ka sa amin,
Really?
pupunta kami Tia Maria. Di ba Tia Maria? Yun yung, may live band.
Okay.
Because my mom had boarders in our house.
Okay.
Para hindi siya matakot kasi my dad was living in Bahrain. So minsan naalis kami kasama yung mga boarders, mag-iinuman sila, and then she'd have her friend, may pustiso, and then nasuka nga, ganun din.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh.
So they had to dig out her from the toilet. Siyempre, hindi na niya babalik sa mouth niya yun. So everyone had to go home kasi wala nang ngipin.
Oh my goodness. Same talaga, diba?
Same.
Because
Kwento. Yeah.
high school din, because I went to, when I came back from the States, I had to go to a public school. They didn't want to allow me in any of the good schools. Kasi sabi nila, third year na, tapos middle of the school year pa.
Mhm.
So I ended up going to this public school, Ramon Pascual Institute in Sucat. So it was a basketball game. Tall guy, pogi yung guy. No one knew he had pustiso pala. So nung nag-shoot siya, may sumiko dito sa panga niya. Yung pustiso niya tumalsik,
Nice.
and then it shattered into tiny pieces. So, alam mo yun,
Napakan siguro.
lahat kami napahiya for him.
Yes.
Kasi can you imagine having to pick up the pieces of your denture?
Yes.
And now
yes.
everyone knows, pustiso pala yung ngipin mo.
Yes.
That's
Diba? Ang
crazy,
pogi
yeah.
pa naman niya.
Yeah.
Crush pa naman siya na ba? Yung pala, yung wala siyang teeth. Diba? Those things. Kasi sabi ko,
Mhm.
that's why I always try to be careful with my teeth.
Yep.
Nakakatakot.
Actually, one of the reasons why it parang encouraged me to go for aesthetic dentistry is
Yeah.
because of that eh. Kasi parang hindi natin alam sometimes konting akala natin konting problem lang,
Yeah.
pero lahat yung
It
self-esteem.
affects the whole face,
Oh
diba?
my God. May mga 50 years old na patient kami na parang tas insecure sila with their teeth. Tapos sabi ko,
But they
it's-
never had it fixed.
hindi ganun kaganda.
They
Nafi-fix
had it
pe-
fixed,
They had it
but-
fixed, but it's not as natural as they
Ah.
would like. Yun yung one of the reasons why it parang gave me the push
And you can
to
try
go
it
for
later.
something na, di ba?
Oo.
Para at least hindi na sila may insecure about your teeth. Hindi lang naman paputian eh. Hindi
But
siya
are there really some sort of teeth na very strong? Because my dad died at 92. Kompleto
Wow.
lahat ng ngipin niya.
Wow.
He never lost any of his teeth. He never had any tooth decay or any of that.
Masama isa ko sa
Problema lang
92
niya
eh.
yung toothpick. Toothpick siya ng toothpick.
Toothpick.
So may mga gap in between his teeth.
Mm.
Pero he's super OC kasi with
Mm.
cleaning his teeth kaya nagkaroon na ng gaps. Pero complete yung
Complete.
teeth niya
Complete.
until he died.
It has something to do with nutrition.
Yeah. Does he eat healthy food?
Pretty much.
That's it.
If you're not a smoker, that's number one. Tapos healthy ka, calcium.
Calcium. Oh
Calcium
yeah, mahilig siya
talaga.
sa milk.
Oh.
Yeah, mahilig siya sa milk. He likes to drink milk a lot.
Wow, pero 92.
Yeah.
Wow.
92.
My mom yung what? Bustiso yung mom.
Hindi siya mahilig sa milk.
Hindi ba mahilig sa milk?
Wala. Mahilig sa
margarita.
Margarita. And smoking also.
Oh.
Yeah, it's smoking number one.
Ano
Pero namamana yun eh. Let's say healthy, parang strong teeth. Minsan may mga ganon na
That's
Namamana.
why your teeth are beautiful.
But my mom's, di ba, it's the opposite sila.
baka sa dad mo nakuha yung,
Sana,
yung
I
strength.
hope so.
Kasi you can see it early pala mga 20s, makikita mo na yun eh. na
Meron
parang-
na siyang,
Yep.
When is I'll message you, DJ Roa, for your next schedule.
yeah,
I
for
have
the
it.
whitening.
For the white.
White,
But you
yeah,
still
white.
Meron pa ba?
Parang, because you weren't able to.
I don't know.
I
Pa-check ko
think,
na lang.
yeah. But we can skip that whitening first the next time. Pwede naman yun. Because it's not bad.
Sige, maybe just not after my lip. Kasi
Okay.
sabi ko, baka kumalat yung Kasi it was the day after, sabi ko, dito na yun. Kaya nasabi, well, ano schedule for next time kasi baka napagod ka na nga kanganga. Sabi ko, sige, okay lang.
Sige.
When's your next?
Yeah,
Kay-
when's your
ano,
next
Doc
with
M?
Vine?
Second week of June. So
Second
maybe
week.
before her.
Okay.
Pwede,
Pagawin ko
pwede,
muna,
pwede.
parang nganga muna ako.
Is she planning to add more?
Yeah,
More,
she
more.
only did half
Half muna.
to see how it would look and then a little bit again. Instead of doing it all in one go, na sobra pala.
May mga patients ako that I recommend lip filler. Botox.
Ah,
Lip filler.
talaga?
Yeah, kanina, let's say, kanina we made a beautiful teeth
Oo.
pero kulang sa nipis.
Oo.
Sabi ko, we need to have at least a little volume
Yeah.
on your upper lip to make sure na at least medyo mas plumpier.
Tsaka mas,
Yeah.
sa akin kasi hindi symmetrical yung lips ko.
Alam
When
mo,
I talk,
nakakaano
may isang gumaganon.
I can be corrected with the botox. Ano?
Lip filler.
Lip filler.
Filler.
It can be.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Nice.
Mm-mm.
There are two ways eh. You go for surgery, which is sometimes it can yung scar.
Oo.
Pero pag mga ano na yung mga worst na yun.
Tsaka
Pero pag-
keloidal kasi ako.
I love yun.
Oh.
So, yeah. So, or non-invasive, minimally invasive yung ganun.
Yeah.
Filler. 6 months ba? Or
Yeah.
a year.
Sabi na naman niya, huwag natin gawin yung duck. Sabi ko, ayoko na ng duck. Mukhang duck. Sakto lang. Naman yung parang duck.
Botox. Diba?
Yun ang kailangan.
Ayan.
Ay, dito.
Ikaw rin.
Nagsishow na yung edad.
Mga lines.
Okay lang yan? Okay lang. Sa akin, okay lang. I'm good.
Yeah, of course.
Para ano lang yan eh, beauty products.
Mahirap yung masyadong animated yung mukha eh, no?
Mm-hmm.
Oo.
Dahil diba kailangan ngayon, mga ganyan lang. Biglang gumagalang. Ha ha
Yeah.
ha ha. That's so funny. Ha ha ha. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya, hirap.
This used to have ano daw, parang two stations. Here.
There's
Dito
Play
also.
also next door. Play. So, this used to be RT ata eh. RT,
yun.
Play, and
Wave.
then Magic. Tapos, Jam used to be in Strata. 2000, along Emerald Avenue.
Strata, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Yun.
Doon siya.
Sabi pala si Tina, 1991?
Yeah. She's been a DJ for
Sige.
30 years.
I know!
OG yun, OG.
Grabe! She looks very young.
I saw a photo of hers. You know Backstreet Boys
Yes.
when Backstreet Boys were like Backstreet Boys.
Yeah.
Not
Yes.
now, di ba?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yung in the 90s.
90s,
Oh,
yes.
Yeah. Nakaakbay sa kanya si na ano, sabi ko, oh my gosh, do you know all the girls ingit sa'yo yan, di ba? That means when they were here, she was already a DJ nun.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Mm.
Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Nag-aaral pa lang tayo.
Nag-aaral pa
nun.
lang, yes.
98 degrees tayo pupunta
Ha?
This weekend.
this weekend.
Ah, talaga?
Sabi niya, 98 degrees.
Yung mga ano ko eh, gusto ko yung high school pa.
Mga
What's
boy
your
bands.
favorite genre? And
Rock!
Hindi. Hindi. Baka hindi.
I used to like rock, pero ngayon kasi lagi na ako nakikinig ng rock. So when I'm
See.
at home, I like more pop actually. Like The Weeknd, Billie Eilish,
Okay.
Doja Cat.
Okay.
The Instagram songs I
Yes, yes,
discover.
yes, yes,
Minsan
yes.
yung hinahanap ko, what's that song? I like that song. Tapos gagawa ako ng
Parang catchy.
workout playlist.
Yeah.
I don't listen to this na kasi all the time I'm listening to this already.
Mm-mm.
Kaya minsan wala parties mina, oh, Ro, you should work on the playlist. Come on, you're the DJ. I was like, until here you want me to work? I don't want to worry about the music. Somebody else worry about the music.
Break naman sa
Oo.
work.
Correct.
Parang ano yun, if you're a chef, diba? Tapos, pati ba naman sa bahay ko pa rin papalutuin.
Oh my gosh. Yun
But do you
lang.
sing?
I used to have a band.
Yun. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why.
Why?
Because I feel like you're a vocalist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nafe-feel pa lang yan nun.
Meron din pala itong
And then
IC.
feeling ko nga already you
meron
had a
yan,
band
meron yan.
before.
Yeah.
Parang you were in a band before.
Yeah.
That's why I asked. Because, so tama. Tama yung
Mahirap lang yung pera sa band. So, I decided to retire it.
But, you write songs. or-
Yeah, I have
Okay.
8 songs actually. Actually, I should just put it here. Play ko na lang.
Do you still write until now?
No, I don't have time to write anymore. But I have a solo project also na I wrote everything using computer, like a software. Solo project. Pero ano, it's experimental, so it's not mainstream.
I-mainstream na.
We're gonna go on in 20 seconds. Jam 88.3, that is music from Sandwich, back for more. And before that, CSS with Alala. Also heard Agawan Bass by Periodico. And welcome back to Tooth or Dare with Dr. Jonas and Elaine, Apostol of Apostol Cosmetic Dental Center. We are talking about the many initiatives that Apostol has been doing. The recent one I remember was the Libreng Bunot, where you actually had people go to your dental center instead of you going to an outreach program in a community somewhere, right? And the reason behind that is so that they can avail of all of the equipment that you have that you can't basically bring to far out locations. What other initiatives have you done prior to that?
We've done a lot of dental missions. We've visited yung sa mga mountain.
Yeah. Yep, yep.
What's that? Sa prison? What's that? BJMP?
Parang
What's
yan.
that place? BJMP.
Hindi ko maano eh. I don't know.
Remember, Elaine, yung details sa'yo.
Oo nga eh.
Pag if it's not dentistry related, si Dr. Jonas, he only fills his brain with anything dental oriented.
Okay.
Pag mga address, mga ganyan. Para daw hindi mapuno yung
Correct.
So, we've done a lot of
256 lang.
We've done a lot of dental missions yun nga sa mountains. Parang nag-hiking pa nga kami noon
Yeah,
just
we went
to
to
serve the community there. That was in Rizal. BJMP, Bureau of Justice. It's a jail na kids, a minor.
Yung mga minors with conflict with the law.
Yes.
That,
And we had
delinquents.
Delinquents,
Parang
yes,
ganun.
yes.
So we went
And
there,
then-
we did the extraction then.
Tooth extraction, church, a lot of
Churches,
churches, kids, fluoride treatment, also
Mhm.
extraction. We've also been to several mga bahay ampunans, orphanage,
Gift giving.
gift giving, and a lot more.
In any one of those instances, did you ever receive any kind of like, parang they're not sure that they want you to take a look at their teeth because they don't know what it's about? Like for example, if you go to the mountains,
Yes.
they're not
Mhm.
used to that, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
I'm sure maybe they've never even been to
Mhm.
a dental clinic.
Mhm.
They
Right.
don't know what dentistry is, diba? And you're asking them to open their mouth, and then you've got these sharp objects that you're going to poke their mouth with. Did you ever get any kind of like, difficulty and challenges in trying to make them understand that it's not
Yes.
bad for
Yep.
them, that you're trying to help them?
Mhm.
How do you
Yes.
handle that?
So number one, we do patients education. That's number one. Number two, after that, if they're willing to
Mhm.
undergo any dental treatment, then we're gonna do it. If like there's any tinge of hesitation, we don't force them to undergo any such treatment. Kasi baka ma-pressure lang sila.
Oo.
'Di ba? Kawawa naman. Or yung iba nag-aantay.
So you
Kasi-
explain it to them muna, ano yung gagawin, no? Para alam
yes.
nila.
Oo.
Sometimes the parents would force their kids to, punta ka na doon kasi para libre. Yung pabunot mo na yan, they would really force their
Mm-mm.
kids.
Nga.
Oo,
Kaya ganun.
yan, oo nga. Punta ka na doon, nga. Open your
Oo.
mouth.
Yeah, ganun.
In English siya, open your mouth. But the
I don't
kids
like mom.
Inglesero.
Inglesero wala.
But of course, we really don't force. So they would go out first. Pipilitin na naman ng parents. Then the doctor would explain what instrument this
Yeah.
is. It will not be painful, something like that. So some would not proceed with the treatment because they're really scared. Talagang magano sila doon, hysterical, iiyak sila.
Yeah.
But some would try. Yun. But like what Doc Jonas said, if they really don't want to do it, we will not force.
Yep.
Because it will be traumatizing to them. I mean, yeah, it's very rare that a mission will be held in their area,
Mm-mm.
but still, yung feeling ng traumatizing them,
Mm-mm.
we don't want that.
Them to
Yeah.
be
for them.
traumatized.
Oo,
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So when you do these, how often in a year do you usually conduct them?
before pandemic, we would have minimum of 2 a year. After pandemic, we tried to, well, because of the mga sanitation issue, we opened our free smile makeover. So we would have a Facebook contest, Instagram Facebook
Okay.
contest. They would share their story, basta different
Yeah.
different rules.
Mm-mm.
Then we would pick winners. They would go to the clinic and we will give them a free smile makeover. So yun na yung parang naging mission
Mm-mm.
namin, or how we could help the community by sharing our expertise,
Mhm.
and they would go to the clinic rather than us going to provinces
Yeah.
or mountains.
Kasi at the time, it was really difficult to do dental missions, especially when you do like dental extraction.
Mhm.
A lot of COVID transfer is due to the mouth, diba? I
Yeah.
mean, yung sa mouth talaga.
Oo.
We were discouraged to do that. So, ginawa namin with all the PPEs and all the sanitation protocols, yun yung that's the reason why we created the free smile makeover na contest. So we did a lot of smile makeover. It's not like like a cheap material.
Mm-mm.
We actually are using the best
So, top of
material,
the line,
top
yeah.
of the line material. So it's more of like a beautiful smile, healthy and functional.
Mm.
The most expensive one, yun yung ginagamit namin. Syempre it's a win for the patient and also for us, the feeling that we can help to the community.
Yeah.
Parang hindi lang kami, we just can't sit in our couches tapos ano lang, parang wala kaming gagawin. So we had to do something about giving back to the community and
Yeah. So with the dental mission, we just usually do extraction, fluoride, perhaps a little bit of cleaning.
Yes.
But when COVID happened, and
Yeah.
then we thought of something different, something new. Yun nga, so free smile makeover. We don't think that there is a clinic here in the country who's already doing that, or who did that in the past. Yun. So we did that para lang something new, and marami
yeah.
kasing nagde-dental mission na
Mm-mm.
extraction. A lot.
Mm-mm.
So something that could separate us on how we can help.
Yeah, and like what you said,
Others.
this is about uplifting somebody's
Yes.
sense
Yep,
of self,
yep.
right?
Yes.
Not just to remove the
Yes.
pain,
Yep.
Yes,
but to
yes,
remove
yes,
a
yes.
pain that they did not
Yep.
even realize they had.
Mhm,
Diba? Yun yung
mhm.
parang pag nakatingin ka
Yes.
sa
Yep.
salamin,
Yes.
you're not really
Mhm.
happy, but you don't know why.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi minsan hindi nila maintindihan I don't know what I need to fix, but something's not right. I don't know what it is.
Yes.
It's only when you fix the problem, which is, yung pala, it's their teeth.
Yes.
Diba? That's when they realize, wow, I look so different now. They can actually smile better. They can be more confident, and they can feel happier.
Yes.
Because they're confident, they can also open more opportunities for themselves kasi mas confident na sila sa sarili nila.
Yes.
Diba?
Correct,
Yes.
correct.
With regards to the story that you shared earlier, yung nag-party, so she lost confidence
After that, I'm
After
sure,
that, yeah.
diba? Lahat ng taong yun.
It took her a few months
My
to
goodness.
go out. Parang sabi niya, because she felt really bad with what happened kasi ang daming nakakita sa
Yeah.
party.
Oo.
It took her a few months to visit us. Parang na-search niya a clinic that can give her a nice smile, and then
Mm-mm.
she visited us. After we treated her, after we gave her that smile, naka-party na daw siya ulit because she
And
felt
there's no more fear
no more
that
fear.
that's gonna happen
Yes.
again.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Kasi imagine, trauma rin siya of what happened. But when she had that beautiful smile, she was confident, no fear of
Mm-mm.
partying again.
Exactly.
Because that's her life eh.
Iba-iba talaga yung
Yeah.
nagagawa niya. So sabi ko, pwede ka na roller coaster.
Kahit sumigaw ka na sumigaw, kahit
Ah,
wala
hindi
yung,
mo totoo.
yung G-force. hindi sasama sa hangin. May iwan no, sa G-force. Ayan, pag nabagsak, di ba? May
Oh,
iwan
my, diba?
yung pustiso, nasa taas pa rin, pababa pa lang. Kailangan mo saluhin.
Yes, diba? So, confident na siya to do anything she wants.
Yeah.
Yun. And then not covering her mouth anymore.
Yeah, so that's what you guys will pay for if you actually get something better than dentures, because you get to avoid the potential embarrassment, the fear that you're constantly faced with na naku baka mamaya pagkagat ko nito maiwan yung diba? Yan yung lagi sinasabi, naku hindi ako pwede kumagat ng apple. Baka pagkagat ko ng apple, maiwan na doon sa apple yung pustiso.
Mhm.
There's so many, I've heard so many embarrassing stories of dentures from my mom's friends and from my mom.
Yes.
You know, so that's why I guess that's why it's also not as common nowadays anymore, because
Mhm.
people are opting for a more permanent and better option.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Which
Yes.
is great that you guys have come up with this, diba? Because
Mhm.
imagine, buti na lang pasalamat sila during that time, wala pang internet noon.
Ay.
Yung uso-uso pa yung
Yeah.
dentures kasi lahat ng yan yung mga, even I told you my classmate na nag-shatter yung pustiso niya on the
Yes.
basketball court. Can you
Yes.
imagine if that happened now? With all the kids with their smartphones, diba?
Yes.
Naka-live.
Oh my
That would be on
goodness.
live. That would be like forever embarrassment.
Yep.
Ito, embarrassing lang for the people who were there, like me. Yung live na nandoon, but
Mhm.
not like online,
Mhm.
right? So now is more than ever that we have to take care of, you know, what could potentially bring us embarrassment. So just get the more permanent fix. It's gonna be more
Yep.
expensive,
Yes.
but it's gonna be worth your peace of mind.
Yeah, it's
Right.
actually for me it's like an investment talaga eh. For we treat it with respect, like we don't just do something like a treatment.
Mm.
For us it's more of like it's a responsibility given na yung trust
Mhm.
doon. That's why medyo mabigat siya on my part kasi we are making sure that everything should go well, and the longevity syempre gusto natin
Mm-mm.
we ensure that. I mean, removing all the possible mga factors that could lead to failure.
Mhm.
So madami tayong kinoconsider. So yeah, isa to sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng mga hard nights. Pero it's a God-given responsibility. That's why we're taking it seriously. Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, it's good to know that you're helping people have more confident smiles and to feel more beautiful.
Yes.
From the outside, also in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because when you feel good on the outside, you also feel good on the inside. You become beautiful on the inside as well. Kasi diba, pag yung mga they feel bad about themselves, mas yan yung mas they feel more sad or mainit ang ulo
Mhm.
Yes.
or masungit. Kasi diba, hindi nila maintindihan diba? But
Yes,
if you're happy about yourself on the outside,
Yep.
you're also gonna be a happier person in general, which means you're gonna be a nicer person.
Mhm.
Yes.
Look,
Diba?
look good, feel good, do
Yeah,
good.
diba?
Yes.
Sabi nila yung mga masayahin na tao kasi they feel good about themselves.
Yep.
Diba? So next time may mas salbahe sa'yo, isipin mo na lang, feeling niya kasi pangit siya, kaya siya gano'n. para hindi kayo diba? You won't feel bad.
Correct.
Diba? Sana lang, you can just say, hopefully they find something beautiful about themselves so they can feel happier.
Yes.
Yep.
And then you were sharing earlier that that's why you were Doc Jonas kasi used to be a surgeon. He still does surgery from time to time, but
Mhm.
that's why you
You switched from from
Surgery.
being oh really?
Surgery to
Dentistry.
No, dental surgery.
Dental surgery
To
to
aesthetic
surgery.
restorative dentistry.
Okay,
Yeah.
so why did you switch?
It's mainly because I believe that God made a way for me to be in this field. Parang this is my mission. So that's why I'm giving my all when I do my restoration thing. If I do my smile makeover thing, it's not like, for me it's not like about making teeth. Parang it's spiritual. It's deeper. Kaya medyo hindi naman obsessed, pero 100% of myself.
Well,
will
that's
be
what
like-
that means. That's what you're passionate about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba? Your passion is not really just to cure. It's your passion is to actually find something that people didn't even know they needed to cure.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
So
I love that.
Yep. Yes.
Yeah,
Ito,
yes.
Diba?
ito, yeah.
Yes.
yeah. All right. So you're like
Yeah.
like a therapist for the soul through the teeth,
Yes.
through the smile.
Yeah.
All right, I love that too. So with that in mind, let's close down today's Tooth or Dare. Thank you so much to Dr. Jonas and Elaine Apostol of
Thank you,
Apostol
DJ
Cosmetic
Ro.
Dental Center. And
Pleasure.
we have got Franco right now, and just perfect for today's topic. For all of you guys, better days. Remember, if you have a better smile, you'll have better days as well. This is JM 88.3, where everything rocks. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
DJ
you.
Ro. Love it. Last Wednesday of the month.
Yeah.